Everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Stunning Creations. In this DIY, I'm going to be decorating this set of faux books. I found this one at Goodwill, but you can also find these at Amazon, I believe, and Dollar Tree has some in the plus section as well, but they did have some writing on the back, I believe. Now this DIY is perfect for those of you who do not like to see books get redecorated and glammed up. This DIY should be perfect for you all and for everyone else as well. So yeah, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be quick and easy. So let's get started. Now we only have these lines on the back. That makes it look like 3 separate books. Now I can tell this did originally come from Dollar Tree. Someone else spray painted it white and donated it to Goodwill. But yeah, I can already see where it says Home Sweet Home, and that's exactly what Dollar Tree had on their books. So this is the Dollar Tree set of faux books. So I'm gonna see if I can come up with the SKU. Now I'm gonna decorate this to where it can be used as a bookend. So you can put like the books up against the wall on like a shelving unit and then push it aside it, or it could be displayed on a tabletop. Or now the first thing I want to do is add some wicked stick it on the top and on the bottom and on the front, and I'm doing that because I'm going to add some silver leaf to it. This is going to be the pages of my books. Now I could honestly do them 3 different ways. I could do them different colors, but I'm going to do them all silver. So I'm going to go ahead and get my wicked stick it, put some of it in this little cup, and then brush it on. I'm going to start out with just brushing some on the top and on the front. I did allow the wicked stick it to get tacky, so I'm going to add my silver leaf to it. Just take out the sheets and then lay it right on top, and then use a really soft bristle paintbrush and just smooth it on. So I'm done adding the silver leaf, but I forgot that I needed to spray paint the box too. So I spray painted the sides and the back as well with silver spray paint. And I do that because a lot of the times when I'm working on DIYs, I'm figuring the DIY out as I go. I have an idea in my mind, but while I'm filming, I'll go ahead and figure out what I want to do. Silver is my go-to color because I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this. I always want a silver background. The next thing I'm going to do is take some of this bling, and guys, I'll link all my products in the description below. I'll let you know what it is and where to find it. I do try to provide links whenever I can. So I already cut 1 strip of that off. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it back here as of yet, but I am going to run it across the top and the front all the way to the back, and I'm going to do that twice. Now, before I do that, I'm going to add some wicked stick it. Again, you can add some Mod Podge. The bling has adhesive on the back, but you can still pull it off, and I don't want it to come off. So I have the small brush that I'm going to use to put the wicked stick it on. Okay, so now we have that. I'm going to do that on this side as well and then come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now this is an Easter box that I am going to decorate, but meanwhile I'm using it to hold my tower blocks. So off camera I went ahead and arranged some tower blocks on top of my faux books to give it a skyline look. It's been a while since I did a Cityscape, so I figured I'd do one. So this is what I have. Again, I'm making this up as I go. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue this down. And once the glue dries, I'm going to spray paint the building silver as well. Use some of my Gorilla Glue and go ahead and glue these in place. so now I'm going to straighten them up. Okay guys, I love the way that looks. See how it has a 3D look to it? I'm going to let it dry, and then once it dries, I'm going to spray paint my blocks silver as well. So here's what it looks like after I spray painted it silver. I really like the way it looks. That's so cool, isn't it? Okay, I was thinking about starting on the front first, but I think I want to go ahead and start it on the back binder. So what I'm going to do is take some mirror towel, and I want to put it right in the middle. So I'm going to have to cut that 5 rows. Now, because I want that permanent, I'm going to take some Wicked Stick It and put it inside this little cup. I'm going to add some Wicked Stick It here. Now I'm going to give that a minute to get tacky. Then I'll come back and add the mirror towel. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on the side. Okay, just like that. For this binder, I have this bling, and I call it box bling because of the little squares in it. And I found this at Amazon, and I'll link it below. So I need to line it up and see where I need to cut it. It's going to take 3 rows. I'm going to use hot glue to put this one on. So I'm going to give that a moment to heat up, and then I'll come back. Some glue here. Turn this around to make sure I get this right. Okay, so this is what we have in the back. This is the bottom, the pages, the top, the pages, the front, the pages, okay? So we don't cover those. Okay, for this side I want to add more bling, but unfortunately I'm out of this particular bling. So what I'm going to do is just wait till tomorrow and fill that part in. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating our buildings. Now, this first building, I'm sure I want to add mirror towels to it, so I'm going to go ahead and do the center first. I'm going to put some Wicked Sticky right in the center. Put some on the top as well. So for this one, I'm going to take this bling and put it right down the center. So I need to measure. Okay, so this one I'm going to go ahead and add some mirror towel to it. And now I'll put some on each side. Now I'll put some on top. Gotta take 3 rows. And now I'm going to put 2 rows of mirror towel here, here, and a row on each side as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to add some mirror towel up here as well and on the sides, and then I really like how it's coming together. It's so cute. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hot glue some of my square bling right here. So it's going to look like some really large windows on the building, and I think I'm going to do it on this building as well. So I'm going to wait for my hot glue to heat up. I'm going to add that and then go ahead and finish decorating the rest of my buildings off camera. Then I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like. I'm decorating my buildings. Here's the side, bottom, from the top. Isn't that pretty? Okay guys, so remember I had to order the bling to finish the back. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and measure and cut. And before I put this down, I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the Wicked Stick It. I'm going to let that get tacky and then come back. Here's what it looks like after I clean the mirror. Again, that's the binder, that's the back. Now, what I want to do is put a couple of strips across the bottom like this and across the top. Okay guys, so this is what we have now. And then at the bottom, I want to add a moon or a sun. It could be whatever you want it to be. I have a bag of round mirrors. I also have some round rhinestones that I could use, but I want to try the mirror. Now, my dilemma is I have 3 different sizes. I have this size, this is the medium. I could put it here. And I have the small. I really wish I had a piece between these 2 sizes. So it's either I could go with this one or this one. I think I'll try the small one. But before I do anything, I'm going to add some more of my Wicked Stick It. And guys, I will link this below. And I do have a discount code for it. Okay, so now I have my Wicked Stick It on there. Now while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and add my mirror. I might come back later and add a rhinestone over the top. I'm not sure. Okay, just like that. So now I'll go ahead and sprinkle some glitter on top of my Wicked Stick It. I'm going to use this extra fine silver glitter. So now I'll allow this to dry and then come back. Let this set up for about 20 minutes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and shake off the excess glitter. This is roughly what it looks like. So I'm going to allow this to dry a little bit more since I removed the top glitter. And then I'm going to seal it with more hairspray, clean my buildings, and then come back and let you guys see what it looks like. As promised, here's my completed 3D mirror skyline. Now when I started this DIY, I did have an idea in mind of what I wanted to create. But I must say that this skyline turned out even better than I hoped for. And I think adding the mirror to represent the sun during the day and the moon during the night was the perfect addition. So now I'll be on the lookout for another set of the Dollar Tree faux books so that I can make the opposite bookend. If you don't need a bookend, you can also use it as coffee table decor. Leave your thoughts about this DIY in the comments below. Okay everyone, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.